Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Turkish Academy YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue with part 3, Rhythm of the Life, Hayatın Ritmi. Welcome to part 3. Today we are mastering how to tell the time in Turkish. We will split this into 2 parts, telling the exact time, analog clocks, and stating the time for a specific action, schedules. Let's unlock the Turkish time formula. Tam ve buçuk saatler. Exact and half hours. The critical question in Turkish language to learn about the time is saat kaç? Saat kaç? What time is it? Saat kaç? Saat 3. Saat kaç? Saat 5. Saat kaç? Saat 7. Saat kaç? Saat 9.30. Saat kaç? Saat 10.30. Buçuk means half. For half hours, we simply add the word buçuk after the number. It is very easy. Let's check the vocabulary on the right below. Saat means hour or clock. Dakika means minute. Saniye means second. Buçuk means half. Çeyrek means quarter. Geçiyor ve kala. Minutes past and to. Minutes to var or kala. Saat plus a, or y. Dakika var kala. Saat 2'ye 10 var. It is 10 to 2. Saat 3'e çeyrek var. It is a quarter to 3. Saat 2'ye 20 var. It is 20 to 2. Saat 6'ya 5 var. It is 5 to 6. Minutes past geçiyor. Saat 1'i 10 geçiyor. It is 10 past 1. Saat 2'yi çeyrek geçiyor. It is a quarter past 2. Saat 4'ü 20 geçiyor. It is 20 past 4. Saat 6'yı 5 geçiyor. It is 5 past 6. In previous page, we learned how to answer the question saat kaç, which means what time is it. Now we will learn how to use these times inside a sentence. Saat kaç versus saat kaçta. If you just say the time, saat kaç, use var. Saat 3'e 10 var. It is 10 to 3 right now. If you connect it to an action, saat kaçta, var changes to kala. Saat 3'e 10 kala evden çıkıyorum. I leave the house at 10 minutes left to 3. Kala is here like left. Take your notes. If you just say the time, saat kaç, use geçiyor. Saat 1'i 10 geçiyor. It is 10 past 1 right now. If you connect it to an action, saat kaçta, geçiyor changes to geçe. Saat 1'i 10 geçe kahve içiyorum. I drink coffee at 10 past 1. So if you say saat kaç, it is exactly what time is it. But if you say saat kaçta, you are asking about an action's or event's exact time. If kala, geçe confused you, the digital clocks will be savior for you. In Turkish, when reading digital clocks, no grammatical suffixes are used. We simply say the number on the left and the number on the right side by side, just like the digital time logic in English. 8:20, 8:20, 10:45, 10:45, 14:15, 2:15, 23:55, 23:55, saat 2:45, it is 2:45, saat 18:30, it is 18:30, saat 19, it is 19, saat 7:15, it is 7:15, Saat 20:30. It is 20:30. Saat 6:30. It is 6:30. Inside a sentence, just add the locative case da, de, ta, te to the last number. Saat 8:20'de işe gidiyorum. I go to work at 8:20. At is here, de, da, you know. Saat 10:45'te toplantı var. There is a meeting at 10:45. Mert, akşam bilgisayar kursu saat kaçta başlıyor? Kurs tam 7'ye 10 kala başlıyor Elena. Peki senin işin saat kaçta bitiyor? Benim işim 6'yı çeyrek geçe bitiyor. Ofisten hızlıca çıkıyorum. Harika. Ben de dijital saatime bakıyorum. Şu an saat tam 17:30. Zamanımız var. Süper. O zaman kurstan önce biraz dinlenelim. Mert, what time does the computer class start this evening? The class starts at exactly 10 minutes to 7, Elena. And what time does your work finish? My work finishes at 6:15. I leave the office quickly. Great, I'm looking at my digital clock. It is exactly 5:30 p.m. right now. We have time. Great, then let's rest a bit before class. Bonus bilgi, additional information. If you are writing a formal email or speaking professionally, use the analog style, kala or geçe. But if you are in a rush on the street, just read the digital numbers, 17:30. Both are perfectly correct, but digital is your lifesaver. Sometimes you can hear from the native Turkish speakers 1'e 10 varken instead of 1'e 10 kala. Example, yemek saat kaçta? At what time is the dinner? 1'e 10 varken it is at 10 minutes to 1. Kol saati, it is watch. Akıllı saat, smartwatch. Duvar saati, clock. Dijital saat, digital clock. In this lesson, we learned how to ask and tell the time in Turkish language. Next lesson, we are going to learn direct past tense in Turkish language. Thanks for watching until here. See you!